On this channel, what we're doing most is that I'll be exposing you guys to what graphic design is and how you can get started as a graphic designer. And from time to time, I'll be dropping tutorials on how to go about a particular designs, and I'll be showing you guys my workflow and my design processes. Today's video will just be a kind of introductory video which I will be exposing you guys on how to get started as a graphic designer. I'll show you the tools to use and I will show you what not to do and what to do to get started as a graphic designer, what you have to know and what you have to keep doing as a graphic designer. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys all this, and I want you guys to stick around till the end of this video so that I'll give you guys a quote which will get you going. So I want you guys to stick around till the end of this video so that you can get a quote and you can just like a motivational quote. So you can just stick to the end of this video so that you can get the quote. So apparently you are new here. I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel. I want you to share and I want you to like, and please I want you to click on the notification button so that when next I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified about it. So I want you guys to do that right now. Thank you. Now let's move on onto today's video.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
My sincere appreciation to you guys for checking this video out. I don't know why you are interested in graphic design. It might be due to some reasons, which I don't know. Might be SAPA, might be that you have passion for graphic design. Whichever reason it is, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I don't want you to stop. Please, you know what the country is saying, you have to have a skill, and the best way to go now is to have a digital skill whereby you sell your knowledge. That is what will never die. So today's video will be very short, as they say in Yoruba, which means if you want to climb a mountain, you have to start from the base. So I don't want it to get too bulky for you guys at the beginning, so we have to go at a certain pace, which would be very beneficial for all of us. Let's start from the basics. What is graphic design? You can simply put graphic design as just a visual representation of your ideas, how you communicate with people using graphical elements like your text, shapes, and colors. So basically, that's what graphic design is in a simple language. So we have different design packages, applications you can use to get started as a graphic designer. We have packages from Adobe, whereby we have Photoshop, we have Illustrator, we have InDesign, we have After Effects, that was majorly for motion designers, and we have Premiere Pro for video editors. So these are the packages that you could use for your graphic design projects. As well, we also have all other companies offering this kind of softwares you can use for your design work. We have CorelDRAW, we have Corel Suits, they have CorelDRAW, they have Corel Paint, and all other applications under Corel Suits which you can use for your graphic design work. But majorly on this channel, we'll be dealing with Adobe packages, which I'll show you in my next video how to get all these packages, maybe for free or for a little amount of money that we pay for it. So that's why you have to subscribe so that you won't miss my next video. So I think I should ask myself a question, and I think I should give myself an answer for it. As well benefits you guys also. So the question is, which way can you be so good at graphic design? I'll give you just one simple answer, which I'm sure a lot of graphic designer or professional graphic designer would say the answer is, which is you have to keep practicing. Yes, that is the best answer for that question. If you want to get better or you want to be a professional at graphic designs, you have to keep practicing. So after learning the tools, after learning the basics, after learning how to apply the principles, from there onward, all you have to do is practice, practice, and practice. So when you do that, you get better, and over time you will see yourself as a professional graphic designer, and from there you are unstoppable. The next thing you should have in mind is that before you get started, there are some basic rules and there are some principles which guides designs, and I'll be sharing with you guys few of these principles that you could adopt as a graphic designer to make your work look professional as you get started. So the first principle you have to put in mind is typography. So basically this is just how you work with fonts and how you complement fonts with each other. How to know which kind of font goes best with a particular brand, how to know which kind of fonts goes best with a particular design, whichever design you are working on. So another principle of design you have to have in mind is composition. Composition simply means the way you can combine or blend multiple pictures together to form a particular or a single picture, which is often used in photo manipulations. So when we are talking about composition, you have to have in mind the lighting, the shading, where the source of light is, and how to best blend pictures together. So this is basically what it means when we say composition. Another principle of design you have to have in mind is color theory. Color theory is, I think, is self-explanatory, as you would guess, is the best way of combining colors with each other to know which color complements another color, and to know which color you have to put in the background and which color you have to put on the foreground in order to make the contrast perfectly okay. So these are the things you will learn as time goes on this channel. Another principle of design you have to know is contrast. Contrast simply means the visibility or how well a particular element on a design is showing, how visible it is, how easy it is for the audience to read, or how easy it is for a third party to read what, or to see clearly what you have designed, or to able to know the kind of message your design is passing across, and basically to know which color you have to put on another color for it to come out well, just simple terms like that. So you will know that you cannot put yellow on a white color. These are two bright colors which cannot work together in most cases. You will know that if you put a yellow, a bright yellow on a white background, it will be hard for people to see that particular text or whichever element that is in yellow that you've put on white background. It will be hard for someone else to see in particular what you've done. So that's basically about principles of designs. As time goes on, you will learn more about the principles of designs, what not to do and what to do. So after learning about the principles of design, you have to apply them, right? Yes, we have to apply them. There are different or several ways or several kind of designs in which you could apply your principles of design, which I will name one after the other now. In other words, you could say these are the aspects of graphic designs. So we have branding or brand identity designs, we have logo designs, we have infographics, we have flyer designs, we have presentations, and we have a lot more. We have banner designs, we have a whole lot of several designs you could think of. Anything you see anywhere that is made up of text, shapes, and color is certainly an aspect of graphic design. So whichever one you feel you're comfortable with, you could choose and make a niche out of it. But for me, I think my best suit is flyer designs. I love flyer designs a lot. I can do like 50 flyer designs in a day. I'm just kidding, but you know what I'm saying. So when it comes to flyer design, that is my best forte. So you could as well choose the one that works best for you, but I think you should also know to a certain degree about the rest of the aspect of design as well, because You cannot just only work with one. It all works together. So you cannot just say you want to go into logo designs and you don't know how to brand identities. So I think it's best to know to a certain degree all these aspects of graphic designs. And on the final note, I want to let you guys know that this is very important. You cannot know it all. You cannot know it all. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You cannot know it all. You have to keep developing yourself every day, because the world is moving and the world is changing every day. So you have to follow the trend. That means new trend, new style, new design. You have to keep getting more info from somewhere else, or you have to keep developing yourself. You have to keep watching tutorials. You have to keep practicing. So that's just it. You cannot know it all. Alright, I think we've hit the end of this video, and thank you guys for sticking around. I told you to stick around, that I'll give you a quote for you to get going, and the quote is, let me check my book. There is no one way to achieve a particular design, which means Onakon Woja. You might be wondering, what's the meaning of this quote? But that's a story for another day. Thank you for watching today's video. I want you to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I want you to please share this video to everyone you think you might get a few lessons from this video or from this channel. Thank you guys, I really appreciate you. And if you have any questions, please, I want you to drop it in the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to reply every comment. And if you want a particular tutorial you want me to do for you guys, please do not hesitate to mention it in the comment section, as I will reply it with a video or a text therein in the comment section. And remember, never stop creating. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.